Hey, 30-minute marketers, Gary Baker here with you. In this video, by the time we get to the end, you're going to learn how to start a YouTube channel. Now strike that, a successful YouTube channel, step by step, by getting the training that you need. The thing is, and you already know, it's easy to start a YouTube channel, but what you need is you need someone to take you step by step on how to set it up correctly, so you make sure that every time you need to take it to the next level, that it is set up correctly and ready to go to that next level, for example, monetization. So, as you see here on the screen, what you see is YouTube Channel Mastery. This is a YouTube Channel Mastery review, and I'm going to tell you about a bonus that you're going to be able to get for picking it up through the link in the description. When you click on that link in the description, it's going to take you over to my bonus page and tell you how I'm going to work with you one-on-one to make sure that you get through this training and you also get your YouTube channel set up and on the next step to success. Here we go. Secret little strategy for snagging the top spot on YouTube for any video you want that takes only 60 minutes to implement, resulting in free ongoing traffic and sales for months or even years, and you never have to worry about your YouTube account getting shut down. Bold claims, but you got to make bold claims, and you got to be bold in this world, in this life, to make it. So here's the deal. Does this work? Yes, it works. And if you look at this sales page, you're going to see that you can get instant access right there. But you're going to see what people are saying about my video training. You're going to see Philip Barman right here. Really good dude. I work with him all the time over at Taking Action Online. And then you're going to see right here that I put my name on this product and gave a testimonial to Adam Payne, the creator of Video Marketing Insider and YouTube Channel Mastery. And I simply told him, thank you for making VMI. That's Video Marketing Insider. And particularly this course, which is inside VMI, this is the course that got me and my YouTube channel up and running and off to the right start. And you can see right here. And thank you. I thanked him for the continuous support, because once you join his training, you get inside his group, you can see everything you need to know. You can learn everything you need to know, and you get that support. And you can see that I was able to put my testimonial here because I know for a fact that this works. And I'm going to show you inside the training. And again, there's a link in the description. You can click that and head over, and I'll tell you more about the bonus that I'm going to give you when you pick this up, when you're serious to get started about setting up your YouTube channel correctly and on the right path. So here we are over inside of Video Marketing Insider. This is where I have access to YouTube Channel Mastery. And this is part of a bigger membership inside of VMI, which is an encyclopedia of online marketing, not just about YouTube. And as you can see right here, you can see the lessons in the course. Of course, there's an introduction, there's a YouTube channel overview. There's 2 videos on niche research. These are very good. They're detailed. In my opinion, every course could use more, because this is probably the hardest thing to get over if you don't have it nailed down already, is the idea and the thought. You can get lost in the massive thought process of niche selection. So these are good. It takes you through it, and he gives you some really good pointers. Checking brand names, creating your channel, verification, settings and defaults. This is really big here. You're going to want to pay attention to this, because most people aren't going to take the time first to do this. Second, they don't really think about it because they don't know about it. But this is big, making sure that your channel is optimized so people can find you, because when you start off in YouTube and you first set up your YouTube channel, search is your friend. And if you're not optimized, if your settings inside of YouTube aren't optimized the way YouTube wants them to be optimized, people aren't going to be able to find your channel. Channel look and feel, again, because people are going to see you when they first see you. You're going to make sure that your channel looks and feels the way it needs to for your niche. Advanced settings. Again, everything inside of here has been updated, so the new YouTube studio has been covered all inside this training. You're going to learn right here, another huge one, external links and monetization. Here's the key, because the thing about getting your channel set up and starting to make money on YouTube, most people want to jump straight into monetization, but that takes at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So that doesn't happen overnight. So there are other ways to monetize your YouTube channel. And one of those is using external links to affiliate products, or of course your own product. And you'll see right here inside of that, Adam's going to walk you through. That's Adam Payne, the creator of VMI and YouTube Channel Mastery. He's going to walk you through that right there in this lesson. It's got a YouTube channel checklist, which is important. commenting process, channel authority, adding a trailer, and then here are the last two, but not the least of the most important. Your analytics, understanding what your analytics are telling you, where to look inside your analytics, again, using the new YouTube Studio, and then setting a schedule. This is going to be key to making sure that once you set up your channel correctly and you have everything set up, by walking through the settings and defaults, getting your channel look and feel correct, and then making sure that you have a plan to monetize it using those external links as you build your channel and grow towards getting YouTube monetization. Setting the schedule is going to be massively important because you need to show not only YouTube that you're serious and you are a creator that is going to constantly put out content, but you also have to show your audience that you start to build, that you're also serious, that you're going to be putting out content, and you're going to stay on a regular schedule. So as you can see right here, it's all inside the training, inside of Video Marketing Insider for YouTube Channel Mastery. The key, and in my humble opinion, what's going to make this work for you is when you work with me, again, I'm going to put a link here in the description for my bonus, and my bonus is going to be fully explained on the bonus page, but I'll give you a little hint. It's going to be one-on-one with me, working with me to make sure that you get started up and running and that you are successful in your YouTube journey. So go ahead, click that link in the description, hop over to the bonus page, find out all the full details about the bonus, and let's get that YouTube channel set up, running, and doing exactly what you need it to do for you and your business. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that, subscribe to the channel. Check out more videos here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.